Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we'll be taking part in about a 10 to 12 minute meditation for grounding, for ease and release of tension, and hopefully for a little bit of healing energetically and just kind of a little bit of restoring of our sense of self. So I'm standing today because today's meditation is one that I'm going to ask you guys to stand for as well. One of the things that I've been learning a lot about is the way that meditation historically has been kind of rigid and held very tightly in the same kind of ways that so many other parts of our world have. And so in looking to bring balance and ease and rest to our lives, one of the things I'd also like to encourage us to have in our meditation today is movement. So the first thing we will do, and we'll let our eyes stay open today just because we are going to be standing, and we are going to be moving, but we'll let those eyes stay really soft. So just seeing how much of the room you can focus on, or sorry, not focus on, but see at the same time. How far in the tops and the bottoms of your eyes can you see? How far to the left and the right? How far into the distance? And as you're getting accustomed to that softened gaze, just swaying with your feet about, hip width apart. Your arms can be wherever they want to be, wherever's comfortable for you. Just like your swaying can be whatever feels right for you. We'll start today with a couple of heart breaths. In through the back of our chest as we inhale, finding our heart center in the back of our chest. Pausing at the top of our breath. And exhaling gently through the front of your chest and heart center. One more time, inhaling through the back of your chest and heart center. Pausing briefly. And exhaling gently through the front of your heart and heart center. Let's take a minute to just enjoy the movement. Enjoy being grounded in our breath and bodies. Enjoy the sensation of movement for no point or purpose. And as you're swaying, let's go back to that heart center now. And imagine, if you can, roots starting to stretch downward from your heart into your spine, down your spine, through the ground and whatever cement or footing you might be on, into the earth. Here it's frozen. Doesn't matter. Let your roots dig deeply through whatever is beneath you into the warmth of the earth, growing deeper, growing stronger until they reach the molten lava center of the earth itself. And now I want you to imagine your own roots merging with the core of the earth. That core glowing bright yellow white. Now your roots starting to grow, glow, bright, white, golden light, reaching back up from the earth, back up from the universe, reaching back up into your body, into your heart center. Feel yourself now grounded and connected to the earth. And as you inhale, imagine breathing in the energy, the life, the essence of the earth. And as you exhale, releasing through that cord, those roots, anything you wish to release. Any pain, any emotional hurt, anything that no longer serves you. If it serves you, let it stay. There's no such thing as good energy or bad energy or positive or negative. If it serves you, let it stay. Let it keep you moving forward. If it doesn't, release it into the cord with each out-breath. Inhaling Earth's energy. Exhaling pain and imbalance. Inhaling life. Exhaling grief and loss. Inhaling love. Exhaling hate, frustration. Let that glowing light from the earth center fill your whole body. When you're ready, I want you to bring your attention back to your body above the earth. Still swaying, hopefully. Still gently moving. And now we're going to imagine above our heads a small ball of light, not dissimilar to the core of the earth. This one's small enough to fit between our hands. Come here, Mia. And in this ball of light is our own energy, not the earth's, not the universe's, not anyone else's, but our own. Maybe it's been left in the past. Maybe it's been left in the future. Maybe it's been left with family or lovers or out in nature. Maybe it's with our past selves. Calling any energy back to you now. Let it absorb into your own golden sun. And now gently let that orb into your own body, through your head, your neck, past your shoulders, your arms and your chest, your abdomen, your hips, your thighs and knees. One more time, let's pull one more golden sun. Again, our own light, our own energy, ours that we're calling back in from somewhere else. When you feel that ball of light is full of your own energy, releasing it down through your head, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, through your abdomen and hips, your legs, your knees, your feet, and allowing anything that might remain back into the earth to replenish what we may have taken in thanks for what she's given us. One of the reasons that we sway is not just to feel the grace of the movement, but also similar to the reason why we ground. In this way, I'd like us each to imagine ourselves a bit like bamboo, letting ourselves through our grounded roots, which reach not only down into the earth, but also out into the community around us, so that as we sway, so that as we're distracted or we feel cut off, or like the things that we want to be creating aren't exactly as we wish, it's okay. Because it's not just us. We are not alone. We always have our community. We are not the only reed of bamboo. And just like the earth sustains us, so too in its own way does our community and the love that we bring to ourselves and to our community. Let's take one more moment to just enjoy that feeling of connectedness, of ease, of safety, of community. Remember, the state of being in these meditations are ones that you can return to at any point in time. You are never alone. You are so loved, and you are never alone. You can return to the feeling of safety, of love and community at any time, because it's yours. Thank you for joining me.